Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of covering a concrete topic that is really easy to explain and really easy to, talk about, and doing like a concrete tutorial, today I'm going to be talking more about a mindset that you need to have in order to achieve your goals on the platform. So if we go over to analytics here, I'm on one of my many channels right now. We go over here, as you can see, we're getting a decent amount of watch time hours per day. And if you go over to the Earn tab, and you scroll down, you'll see you need 4,000 watch time hours in the last 365 days to achieve monetization. So, let's just go over here and do 4,000 divided by 365. As you can see, you need about 11 watch time hours per day to get monetized in the space of a year. Now obviously you want way more than that if you want it to take just a few months and not a year, but that is the bare minimum that you need to reach. So instead of looking at it as getting 4,000 watch time hours in 365 days, which just seems insane, it seems like an insane milestone to reach, just 12 watch time hours a day seems reasonable. Getting 12, maybe 10 watch time hours a day is very doable. So for example, if I go over here, right, I'm currently getting about 1,000 views every 2 days, so like 500 views per day and these are lyric videos. These are like 3 to 5 minute videos here. And as you can see, I am getting about 15 to 22 watch time hours per day, which means I am on track to be quote-unquote monetizable on this channel, which is completely fine. This is an amount that you'll want to strive for. This is an amount that you'll want to hit. And once you have reached that 11 watch time hours for the first time, and you keep making consistent content, you will not be dipping back below that often. Like over here, for example, I have 7.1, but that doesn't really matter because everything around it is so high that it just disappears. So the only thing you need to look at this as, obviously, this can be short views, but all you need to get is 500 views per day, and you will be monetized in the space of a year. Hopefully that helps you on your YouTube journey. If you want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!